texting her.
I decided that I was going to make pap for Dayo. He's been down with cough and catarrh and he's teething. So I think that's part of the whole thing that is going on. I'm just glad that he's not stooling and he's also eating. So I just made pap from scratch. I use corn, millet, coconuts, tiger nuts, and dates. Yeah, and I blended everything together and sieved it, and so that's what I made for him today. So that's what he's been having all day with in his bottles. I just make it very watery for him to be able to like swallow, because he's been very cranky. I also made this Tom Brown. It's on YouTube. I made it as well, like Tom Brown cereal. And let me show you how the pap looks like. I need to sieve all the water out, and yeah. So this is how the pap looks like. So I'm going to sieve out this water. This is the other bowl. I'm going to sieve it out and store it properly. So I also made this onion and this cough syrup. I think is onion and sugar. My friend recommended it, and I also checked online to search for it because he's been really coughing. So I did this. I've given him twice today, which seems to have reduced the cough drastically. So I'm hoping that by next tomorrow, everything goes, or it just not as bad. So yeah, I need to prep for the month. I just did my food timetable, so I need to like prep food stuff for the month, so I'll be able to. So I won't have to like cook every day, because there'll be always something to eat in the freezer. So I have to like prep all those ones and make soups and put in the freezer. I'll probably make jollof rice and put in the freezer as well. So that's the plan. Just cook. I'm not sure I'll take you guys through the process. I might take you guys through the process. Yeah. So let's get to it. The first thing I need to do, I need to tidy up the sink, wash out the plates and make sure that it's clean, and then if I start like chopping the vegetables, washing the vegetables and all of that. So I'll show you guys what I eventually have going on, but for now, see you later. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
No! Give it to me, Joe. Hello.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Nazi invited me for her birthday today. Today is our birthday. Happy birthday, Nasty. Long life and go satisfy you and in good health. I'm trying to get ready quickly and just do just small makeup, and then I'm ready to go. And nothing serious, honestly. I'll show you my feet. Nothing serious.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just
One more thing. Let's wash this up. What do you think, guys? Okay, I'm late. Let's go. Why? Stop doing that now. Minute, I feel like my cheeks has gone down. The next minute, I'm looking at the window like, why is the cheek still full? But my body's reducing. I don't get it. I'm back to size 6. 6 to 8. Birthday girl. So I'm doing another outfit check at Nosti's house. So let's do this.
How are you?
By the way, I've lost so much weight that I needed to use belts for this trouser. I wasn't using belt before. I'll put a picture up there so you see. But there was no belt. But now, and it feels like, did I also go shorter? I don't know. Because this trouser is very long too. So I have to figure out what to do with it. But yeah, let's see. Outfit check.
It's me!
Happy birthday to you!
Amazon. Bag from Amazon. Bag from Messi.
Say our celebrity here. Celebrity Messi.
Ready to answer.
This is our celebrity. Voila. Oh, this place is lovely.
Hello, guys.
I'm rocking with you. You're as good as it gets, but you're so scared of real love. 'Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Let's blow your candles. Woohoo! Thank you so much. That was amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, see me on Instagram.
So our sugar mommy has spoiled us today. She has really spoiled us. So thank you, sugar mommy.
Why dark?
My what's it called? Brightness. The dark.
Sponsor. I get here too. Thank you, Sugar Mommy.
Sponsors. Our sponsor.
Thank you.
face is greasy with the oils.
You see through the storm, take me as I am.